pedals. I got my nephews here all the way from Florida. They said they want to be on YouTube, so I guess we're gonna make a little video. Where's the little guy at? Where are you at? You want to be on YouTube or what? All right, come on, let's go. You want me to promote your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel name? All right. So, what do you know about this truck? Do you know anything about this truck? Did you get to hear it last time? Nope. What about you?
Yeah, I did.
You got to hear it last time?
Yeah.
All right. I don't remember. I don't remember us doing that, did we? You guys were little, huh?
Yeah, I don't remember.
It's been 5 years since you've been here. All right. Well, I'm gonna back it out. We're gonna bump some beats. So I guess he wants to be on YouTube, and he wants me to promote his channel. Hey, we're here for each other. So let's turn on some beats. Dusty, huh?
No, it's fun.
Gotta wipe her down before I start doing these demos like this. All right, let's turn this on real quick.
So is my hair gonna go up and down?
Do you want it to?
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready?
The hairspray on
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this, you don't gotta do all that. I'll do that for him.
Hairspray on it, so it sticks up better.
It don't matter, it'll go. All right, this is an original beat from my boy Ant Dog, Anthony. And I think it's gonna have a little bit of bump to it. Oh shit, Bobby Gately just showed up. All right, party's over. Did you get in last time or were you just standing outside of it? Oh, okay. All right. Ready? Come here, look at me.
You're setting off alarms.
Huh?
You're setting off alarms over here. I think Bobby Gately's car went off.
Yeah, that beat is brutal, bud.
Yeah, I've been in this thing in a minute. Can I climb in here, young man?
You can sit in it next time.
My tack is buried. I still can't.
It's a beast.
I mean, she's still around. She still plays, right? Okay. How bad,
Dude, if you drug this thing out, you had a fucking mile-long line of
I know.
demos.
I know,
They'd be
but
going fucking.
but then when they climb out of something that's walled and it's fucking you up, it's like, oh,
This is
they
still one of the loudest no walls ever.
she ain't too bad. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Dude, I've been
It's
in
still my
I've
same
been
old
in the
shit.
loudest vehicles on the fucking planet. There's probably nobody You know what I mean? I go and I do that. I'm a judge for the deadliest demo thing at Slimology every year, and I get
She
in all
she
those
does okay. I
gnarly
mean, she
things.
hangs in there. She's no slouch, right? Yeah, okay. That's all I care about is that she's no slouch.
No, this thing's fucking awesome.
All right. Apparently my electric fans did not kick on, those ones that I made a YouTube video about. So we're gonna have to figure out why. No big deal though. I'm sure it's just a fuse or something. But we are overheating. No big deal, no big deal. Everything's clean though, man.
Oh, sorry.
We're still looking good. I haven't seen this out in the daylight in a little bit. Still shiny.
My wife tucked it in with a blankie.
Oh, look what I got. Look what he brought me, man. Nice. Oh, sick. This is for me?
Yes, sir. So it's a Relentless 8 dual 2 wired in parallel. So
Get the audio Relentless 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That good or what? Was that fun?
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
All right, all right, all right. Cool. Well, guess what? You get to be on YouTube. And I don't think I'm going to promote your YouTube channel. But you can tell everybody what it is. What's your YouTube channel?
That comes.
Gat Gun. Oh, yeah, you already told me, huh? All right, Gat Gun. We're out of here.